If you're looking for innovative tools to make your life easier, look no further. The designer of this welding helmet noticed something interesting. 90% of welders do not use the air purifying respirator or the paper unit that provides air and purifies. This is mainly because the paper units are heavy and expensive. So the developer created a paper welding helmet that is about 30% lighter than others on the market. Changing filters is a quick process, and this helmet also has a built-in speaker. Cool, right? But there's nothing cooler than not having to deal with clogged pipes, so check out the next one. The makers of TerraPlunge offer a quick solution for unclogging pipes without relying on household chemicals. This tool uses compressed air up to 6 bar to unblock pipes. It can effectively remove both organic matter and debris, including napkins. It comes with adapters that make it suitable for toilets. The price for this tool is $32. For just $3 more, you can take home the following tool that'll make your life a whole lot easier. A digital angle finder is a useful addition for amateurs and professionals alike. The model shown on the screen boasts class-leading accuracy to within plus or minus 0.02 degrees, ensuring a desired angle for easy marking when needed. Powered by a single AAA battery, the LED display shows data clearly in any lighting. It also includes rulers with millimeter and inch scales. The price of this angle finder is $35. But while we're talking about cool tools, we can't leave out the following tool inspired by, better see for yourself. Designed with railroads in mind, this cordless torque wrench is built to withstand temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius or -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Provides a maximum torque of 250 Nm on threaded fasteners up to 44 pounds, is easy for a single worker to carry, allows you to view settings on a color display, and even supports USB drives for more convenient work. But if you're looking for tools that help you optimize space, you need to check out the next cool invention. Know how to get $120 for a chisel plane? This tool allows you to work in tight spaces where larger planes won't fit. You can choose between maple or bolo coke handles, but the steel remains the same, American A2 steel. Air conditioning and plumbing installers will find this deburr useful. It works well with copper and stainless steel tubing and helps you expand a hole up to 54 millimeters. Compact and weighing 400 grams, this tool costs $129. But without a doubt, if you're a woodworking enthusiast, you should always carry the following kit with you. An essential addition to the woodworking enthusiast toolbox, this rasp features secured snap blades for easy replacement and is lightweight at only 45 grams for easy handling. The standard kit includes a 4-inch curved blade, ideal for efficiently shaving corners. The kit is available for $10. If you're the kind of person who loves to paint but has a messy workshop, stay tuned for the next cool invention to make your life easier. As you know, innovative minds also care about painters. And if you're the kind of person who leaves a mess of paint all over the floor and walls, you can now clean up your paint rollers with this tool. It's useful for cleaning rollers up to 23 centimeters wide, and it's on sale for just $7. Introducing the Featherboard BOW. This tool is invaluable when you need to apply pressure to a workpiece while using a circular saw. What sets these featherboards apart are their innovative EVA springs, which make them 5 times more resistant to kickback than plastic springs. You can purchase a featherboard with 6 springs for $35. If you find feathers useful and functional, this next invention will give you a unique experience. This system allows you to perform vacuum tests to detect leaks in roofing membranes made of materials such as HCPE, vinyl, EPDM, and the like. Weighing 7.7 kilograms, the system is equipped with a VAR flow valve that allows precise regulation of the vacuum. We know you're a fan of cool tools you can turn into other tools, so don't miss this one you're about to see. This unique product allows you to turn a chainsaw into a winch. Although it may seem unusual, its efficiency is remarkable using a winch pulley. It's claimed that this saw winch can pull up to 3.6 tons at a speed of up to 24 meters per minute. This technological marvel can be attached to a tree or vehicle. This upgrade costs $550, according to the seller of this accessory. And speaking of multi-tools, why not take a look at the next one? Multifunctional tools are common in our videos, and this 4-in-1 table is a recent addition. In addition to its main functions, it can be used as a step, a rolling platform, and a creeper. The height of the table ranges from 9 to 77 centimeters and has a double-sided work surface. It's also equipped with 3 110-volt power outlets. You can purchase this table for $194. Cool, right? But what about the next tool you're about to see that you didn't know existed? After just 1 minute of setup, any standard circular saw can cut beams up to 30 centimeters thick in one go, thanks to the Prezi PR2700. Basically, it turns your tool into a hybrid between a circular saw and a chainsaw. This kit is compatible with most circular saws, including those from Bosch, DeWalt, and Makita. Crucially, the blade diameter must be 184 millimeters. The kit retails for $170. This Milwaukee threading tool is a pleasant surprise. Not only is it cordless, but it's also compatible with other brands' accessories. Suitable for 3.2 to 51 millimeter diameter pipe, a single charge can perform 60 operations on 12.7 millimeter diameter pipe. You can get this tool for $2,295. If you still change bulbs the traditional way using a chair or a ladder, Unger professional users now have a safer option. This unit comes with telescoping handles ranging from 1.2 to 6 meters in length and can safely hold even compact fluorescent bulbs thanks to its interchangeable handles. You can purchase a set that includes a 10-foot handle and 5 handles for $50. The Dot Shot Dispenser is a popular choice in warehouses and packaging shops because it works well with cans and plastic bottles. It produces a line of glue dots 3.2 millimeters apart, and the size of the dots is matched to the materials being glued. The dot dispenser costs $80, and you'll need to add an additional $18 for a roll of tape. There are many hammers on the market that claim to be unique, such as this one, which, according to the seller, stands out for its special head. Thanks to the non-slip handle, this hammer can be used not only for driving nails, but also for levering them out. And you can choose between 2 sizes, 25 and 30 centimeters, the larger of which costs $21. Definitely a great tool, but will it be unique? We don't know yet. What we do know is that this next tool will save you a lot of headaches. These blowers are used in automotive body shops to dry various coatings, such as automotive enamel. The Wacom 6150 blower provides a 40% increase in airflow, raising the pressure to 3 bars and the airflow to 265 liters per minute. The blower can be purchased for $102. Now let's leave the blower behind and take a look at the best tool for cleaning your window. Now we present another cordless tool that is perfect for cleaning windows. It's called the Iral Brilliant, and it not only cleans but also collects dirty water. If you want to reach higher places, there's a 120 centimeter extension and various attachments. And it's not just limited to windows, you can use it on shower tiles and more. The battery-free tool costs $58. Awesome, right? And you haven't even seen the next tool we have to show you. Every once in a while, you need to cut a pipe in a tight spot where a cordless cutter won't even fit. That's where handheld rigid pipe cutters come in. They're handy and work well with copper tubing from 12.7 to 19 millimeters in diameter. Thanks to the spring-loaded cutting feature, you can count on a clean cut every time. This tool is available for $42. Looking for something a little more professional and practical? The multi-tool you're about to see will blow your mind. Let's take a look at the Lineman's Insulating Box Wrench. Designed to work on electrical installations up to 1,000 volts, the insulating handle is clear to ensure the metal ends don't touch. The wrench comes with heads for 12.7, 14.3, 15.8, and 19.05 millimeter sizes. The price is $45. We're almost at the end, which means you're about to see the best tools. This spotlight is designed to illuminate your work area. One version has a battery life of 4.5 hours. You can adjust the brightness from 1500 to 5000 lumens. The tripod extends to a height of 1.9 meters, and the spotlight itself weighs 5.2 kilograms. How about getting out of the office and testing the power of the next tool? Repairing a wire fence doesn't have to take all day, especially with the right tool. It costs $54. This tool allows you to adjust the tension without cutting the wire. Plus, this type of repair won't cause kinks that can lead to wire breakage in the future. Have we reached the end? Leave us your favorite in the comments.